last section of Bodmas. I just introduced the fraction part of Bodmas. It's not too complicated, but it's just that you have to do the numerator and denominator separately and then divide them. That's it, right? So we have a particular set of question over here, starting with this. So this is a fraction. You have the numerator and the denominator. We'll start with solving numerator part first. I'll take it as a separate question and take your Bodmas and try to solve it. No brackets, there is operation though. Did that. Division and multiplication. There is no division, multiplication is there. And then you have the final answer, it is 26. Right? Then we have your denominator. Simple addition subtraction, so we end up with 3. And we have the final answer as numerator by denominator, that is 26 by 3, and that is your answer. Okay, that's it, done. So here I have it's a simple question, but I have written why do people do wrong, what do people do wrong here. Okay, I didn't read it right. So what I have seen over here is the wrong solution. I've seen this in quite a few places, kids doing this in many degrees, many levels and many degrees. They make this mistake of cancelling 5 with 5. And this is 1 and 1 plus 3 by 1, that is 4 by 1, that is 4. I've seen this happening. So why is it wrong? Well, the actual solution is this. So 5 plus 3 is 8 by 5, that is 1.6. Why is it so? Well, 5 plus 3 by 5, it actually means that 5 has to be divided by 5 and 3 has to be divided by 5. So when we do this maths, I'll get 1 plus 0.6 and we have 1.6. So the reason being 5, the denominator 5 is to be applied to both the terms, not a single term. So you can't cancel a single term. If you want to cancel both the terms. If not, don't cancel a single term. Remember this and you are done. Here again we have a fraction. Do the numerator separately and denominator separately. So numerator we have 7 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 square. So when we apply Bodmas over here, we have 7 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 square will be, this has to be done first because there is no bracket. So we have 7 plus 2 into 3 plus 16. Okay, so that is your operation. And multiplication and division, we have multiplication and we have the final answer, that is 7, 6, 13, 13 and this is 29. Then we'll start with the denominator. So denominator has simple bracket 5 into -1 and then the multiplication of -5. So basically we have the numerator by denominator as 29 by -5, but we can't write a fraction wherein the denominator is negative. So I'll rewrite this as -2 by 29 by 5 and that is your answer. So let's start with the numerator. So we have 25 6 into 4 minus 7 square. So here we have, okay, let me write Bodmas for this. No brackets. No, we do have operation. So minus 25 plus 6 into 4, 49. We do have multiplication. Minus 25 plus 24 minus 49. Addition, subtraction. I'm going to give the priority to subtraction because it's quite simple. This is minus 1 minus 49 minus 50. And then we have the denominator 2 times 3 minus 2. So 2 times 1, and this is nothing but 2. And then the final answer, numerator by denominator, minus 50 by 2, which is minus 25. Done. The last big set of questions. Come on, let's do it. Don't give up. Just last two. We have the numerator 5 minus 2 square plus 10 by 5 minus 4 into 2. So it's better to write Bodmas for this. I'll write it over here. There is bracket, so let's do that. 5 minus 2 square plus, within the bracket we have 10 by 5, that is 2, minus 4 into 2, and we have 5 minus 2 square. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, plus of minus 2 into 2. So brackets done. Operation, yes, it's there. We have 5 minus 4 plus of minus 2 into 2. Done. Division, multiplication, we have multiplication, so that will result in 5 minus 4, minus 2 into minus plus 2 is minus 4. Multiplication done. Addition, subtraction, we do have 5. Okay, let me rewrite this first. Plus of minus 4 is minus 4, right? So that is done. And we have addition, subtraction. So I'm giving priority to subtraction because it's kind of simple over here. This is plus 1 minus 4, and we have minus 3 as your answer. Then the denominator, 4 into 4 minus 5 into minus 2 the whole square. Bodmas. Don't have brackets, but we do have operation. Minus 2 square is 4. So we have 4 into 4 minus 5 into 4. No division, but we do have multiplication. So this is 16 and this is 20. And this is nothing but your subtraction, minus 4. Right? Minus 20 is bigger than plus 16, so the sign is negative. 20 and 16 difference is 4. And last we have the numerator by denominator, minus 3 by minus 4. This is plus 3 by 4. Done. Right? So this is the way to go about. In the next question, the question looks big, so let's get organized. Bigger the question, more organized we have to be. So numerator has a big bracket, so let's just take the big bracket first. So within the big bracket I have a small bracket, so let me start with a chotu bracket. Simple and straightforward. 6 plus 4, that is 10, right? Then let's substitute that in the bracket. So 10 plus 30 by 10 plus 2, okay, and we have apply Bodmas over here. So we have no bracket operation, we have division though, so that will be 10 plus 3 plus 2, no multiplication, addition is there, 15, and done. That's it. It looked complicated. Oh no, we're not yet done, right? This is separate, this is separate, and this is your square bracket. And now the numerator part, exactly 3 into, right, now the numerator part comes 3 into, this entire answer is 15 minus 10. Now we are almost done. So within this we have simple 45 minus 10, and that is 35, while the denominator has -4, +5, -6, +7 into -1 plus 2. -4 plus 5 is 1, -6 plus 1 is, okay, sorry, let me do it a bit slowly. Applying Bodmas. So for the denominator we have brackets, so within that brackets I have 4 terms, and there's nothing happening over here complicated, so no complicated version is over there. I'm applying my addition subtraction because there's nothing else, and I'm giving priority to this pair, pairwise, rather than adding I'm subtracting. So this is 1 and this is also 1 into -1 plus 2, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2 into -1 plus 2. So 2 into -1 is -2 plus 2, and this is 0. Is it not? Almost done, and we have at last numerator by denominator, which is 35 by 0, which is undefined, and that is your infinity. Okay, done, right? So please take the test and see you guys in the next section.